Okay, we got us a 67 Barracuda here. You can see that it's got all the trim. Came with a V8 273. I never saw that engine. Got a little flaw right down here. Great lines. You're not going to find a better body. Okay, inside here we got new upholstery, new package tray, new carpet, new headliner. This car came with factory air. It's got new kick panels with built-in speakers. Dash bezel could use some work. The pad's cracked here and there. Everything's nice and clean. The old speedometer 120 gave it up. I got this one connected. Doesn't get any cleaner than this. You can see a thing here and there. Came with a vinyl top, hasn't had one in years and years. And there's no rust ever anywhere. Real clean lines on that trunk. Chrome's nice and bright. Here's the back of it. Got the bumperettes. Right here's the 727 transmission. Needs rebuild. Real clean. No flaws anywhere. Kind of hard to see on this short side over here. No saggy doors with this one. Okay, right here we got a 8 3/4 A body rear end. Real clean all up in here. Great lines. Doors don't have any issues. Cowl's clean. You can see that it's been well taken care of forever. All the trim. I'm not real good at video. There's the front end. There's your bumperettes. Okay, the front of it, you can see a couple dings here where I've been under the hood. The body's flawless. Paint could use touch up here and there. Car was driven. Right now, the engine's out. Okay, there's a rebuilt 727 stage 2 2600 stall, all connected to the inside. There's your power steering brake booster, electric windshield washers. It's all plumbed in. Right under that header there is the new power steering gearbox. There's the power steering pump, overflow. This is a copper radiator, 4-core by Coolcraft, if they're still in business. You can see all the chrome is bright. I'll get that later. Okay, let's come back here. I want to show you the inside of the trunk on the fenders is what I want to show you. Here's all the parts: roller rockers, ignition, alternator, 750 double pumper. Okay, here's inside the fenders. Still got the coating, not one ding. That's a factory jack. New gas tank. Here's underneath, or the other side of that fender. Very clean. Okay, over here we have two complete engines. This is the 340 that I took out of it. Very tired. The engine transmission were running when I pulled them. Then I went and got another transmission, another block, and I built this 416 stroker, 40 over. There's, you can see the flex plate on that one and the high dollar flex plate on this. This has program main caps, steel crank, 4-inch stroke, aluminum heads, program main caps, roller everything. The cam is the biggest cam you can put in it and still have vacuum to run the power brakes. You can see all the stuff I've got stacked up around here. Now underneath here we have a 340 block, 30 over, and then we have another 340 block standard bore right there. So if you want to build a stock engine that gets good mileage, 87 octane, it's all there. You want to put the stroker back in it. Stroker's out to have, because I needed to have some head work done. I'm not putting it back myself. That's why it's all for sale. I also have a 489 pumpkin with the posi that needs to be rebuilt, so you can have a 8 3/4. I don't know if you can see the drive line and stuff under here. The drive line's got new U-joints. It's got an 8 1/4 rear end in it now, but it also has an 8 3/4 A body over there I showed you, and in the 489 pumpkin. So this is what a well taken care of car. Originally owned by a woman, has a Certicard, has a Fender tag. It's all here. 2 drivetrains.